Hey y'all! In this video, we're going to look at a way to neaten the last bind off stitch that will take you less than 1 minute to learn, but improve your bind offs forever. Often when we bind off after working flat, the last stitch is very sloppy. Honestly, what is going on here? So before you follow along, you should do a regular bind off until you have 2 stitches left on your needles, 1 unworked stitch on the left and 1 on the right. And then you're going to simply slip the last stitch to your right needle. So now with both stitches on the right needle, you're going to focus in on the left leg of the last stitch, 1 row below, and I'm pointing to that right here. Then insert your left needle under that leg from back to front. And it should look something like this. Now slip that stitch back to the left needle and knit the 2 loops together. And then bind off as usual by slipping the second stitch on the right needle over the first. And you can already see how much better this will look. So grab your scissors, cut the working yarn, and then either elongate this stitch until the tail comes through the stitch, or thread the tail through the stitch as I'm doing here. By all means, experiment with this to decide your preferred look. And there we have it. Admire your handiwork and how much better it looks than this nonsense over here. Never going back to this again, right? If you enjoyed this quick little trick, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out my next video for how to hide the last bind off stitch in the round. It's another good one, and I look forward to seeing you there.